This is Dan from Fisher Jeep Adventures. We got something a little different for you today. I've always wanted to have a little pickup truck to run around, and back before my son was born, I had a 1998 access cab Toyota Tacoma, and then I found this. It's a 1997 Toyota Tacoma access cab, four-wheel drive. It's got the 3.4 V6 with the manual 5-speed transmission. The thing has got 331,000 miles, but it's in really good shape. The engine runs good. It passed the emissions test here in Colorado, and it runs really good. The interior needs some help. But believe it or not, everything works. Cruise control, turn signals, the factory radio, air conditioning, all of the things work that need to work for this thing. Even the back seat's in decent shape. So these access cabs came with flip down seats, and everything is where it needs to be for that kind of stuff. So I apologize for the wind, but out here sometimes in the afternoons the wind kicks up. But the timing belt was just changed 30,000 miles ago. Everything has been, maintenance wise, been kept up. There are some exterior rust spots. Then I'm just going to touch up with some Pour 15. To kind of stop the rust from happening. We're not going to do any body work on it. The previous owner had put on some Cooper Discover 218 7017s, and they're brand new. So there's not much we have to do there. I don't have a lot of intention to do much work to this. I'm just going to change out, there's like the tail light has got a crack in it. One of the headlights has a crack in it. We're gonna stop the rust from moving. Basic maintenance, so oil change, fluid changes for the manual transmission, both axles, and there are some leaf spring. The guy put some blocks underneath it, and the shims are installed backwards. So we're going to go ahead and do some suspension changes, add some new shocks just so that it rides good. But that's about it. We're not going to do a whole lot because I just wanted the truck to run around. But we will do, like I said, some basic maintenance. The carrier bearing on the drive shaft needs to be replaced, so we're going to do U-joints and the carrier bearing, and we'll take you all along on this journey. So this is just a quick kind of look at my brand new, to me, first gen Toyota Tacoma. It's a great color. It's got a good stance. And I'm excited to have a pickup truck again. This is Dan from Fisher Jeep Adventures, and we'll see you when we start working on this thing.